Alrighty, today is the big day. Leaving my motel room here, I'm gonna head over to Four Seasons Dental. It has warmed up to a balmy 19 degrees here at 7:10 in the morning. I hate the cold. I know you probably can't see any of this, it's too dark, but this is absolutely just ice. Lovely. So we'll take this trip really slow, about 4 miles away. Cool beans, no slipping on ice or snow. Let's go check in for the day. So forgive me, I'm still all numbed up and everything here, but my teeth are being printed here. So it's starting from one edge, and it's making my tooth. It's making it out of a purple block that starts like this, and we already got the right color that it's going to be baked to later. But this machine is building 2 teeth. You can see by this diagram some other ones that got started. We'll talk more about the crown as well later. There's the countdown till my teeth are done. 10 minutes. Because most places have to send this out to a lab. Ah, the Colorado River, isn't it nice? I'm gonna make you guys wait till the last possible moment to see my new tooth. Good morning, everybody. How the heck are ya? I did not film anything from the rest of the day up in Utah, and I'm already back here I'm not in Arizona. Right now, I'm actually in California. So how are we looking up here? I got my smile back. I'm feeling good. It's been 24 hours since I had the last 2 wisdom teeth pulled as well. I actually got a bunch done. I also got this tooth taken out, extracted, and put in a new crown here as well. So my whole front top, I got a lot of work done there at Four Seasons Dental, and I want to say that worked out so well. I really, really appreciate the office there in Salt Lake City, and Dr. Eric Smith there in his practice. If y'all need some same-day, really awesome, good dental service done in the Salt Lake City area, you got to check out Four Seasons Dental. I will probably even be going back. It was well worth flying to another state to get everything done. Actually, mostly. I had a really long day. I had a new root canal done back here as well. That's the most painful part still here today. And but then I came back right before my flight and had the wisdom tooth pulled out on the top upper here, which was also bothering me as well. So I got every minute's worth of dental work that I could get done, and I still got more to do. So I do want to look at my treatment plan and see what's going on. But I'm here in Ehrenberg. My RV has been parked here for 3 days, and big thanks to Joey and Carolyn for babysitting Jax while I was gone and making sure he's good. But everybody's kind of feeling the urge to get up and try something new right before RTR starts. So a lot of the gang is going. I don't really want to go because I haven't really enjoyed much of this, but I think I am going to follow the group where they're going to go. I want to do some laundry and dump my tank and fill up water before we do that. So yeah, there's Joey there, and this is what's left of the Ehrenberg tribe today. Campervan Kevin's already left, Harry and Scott left, and I just got to put away a few more things in my RV there, and then I'll be good to go. All in all, I have to say the dental experience and everything went really well. I've always had anxiety about dentists, but wow, that was just great. All the numbing and everything just made everything work really well. I'm glad it's over with for now, this phase, but I'm really happy to have my smile back. So if you're wearing one of my Nomadic Fanatic hoodies or t-shirts, guys, you rock. Thank you so much for helping me and supporting this channel, and giving me back my confidence to film in front of the camera. So here's to many more years of awesome nomadic travels shared with you guys. You know who I am? I know, do you know who I am? Did you miss me? Did you miss your dad? You haven't forgot about me? You have no idea. You don't even think you missed me. I think Joey and Carolyn took such good care of you, you're like, I don't even need my dad anymore. I missed you like crazy, man. I really, really missed you. I missed you. I feel like I was expecting more More of a welcome, more of a, I missed you so much, Dad. I waited by the door all day. But I don't know. Yeah? Let's not do that again for a while, okay? Yeah, let's just do RV travel for a little bit, okay? Where we can stay together. Thank you for the kiss. That was very nice. So this is my go-to spot here in the Quartzsite Ehrenberg area. A lot of people use this place too because it's kind of a one-stop spot. It's exit 1 in Ehrenberg. So we're about 16 miles west of Quartzsite, but it's right next to the Colorado River spot. And for $2, you can get drinking water here. Or for $11, what I do, you get to dump your trash and you get to use the dump station, which I've already re-locked back up there. And it includes water as well. I know some people just sneak in when you're here and use the dump station or use the water, but technically it's $2 if you want to get water here. And then inside there is a laundromat with really reasonable prices in there. Well, everybody, good morning from Arizona or California? We're right on the border. Yuma, Arizona here. We have a wonderful sunrise going on behind me. Don't know how much the camera is actually picking it up, but it is a stunning morning here as we look east. Look at that sky. That is just amazing. Yeah, we're out here at a casino. Terry's up there on a roof getting a picture. And yeah, this is our spot for a couple days. So that was weird this afternoon. Just kind of out of nowhere, the entire tribe, as we call it, just kind of left. And not sure why, but Scott and Terry and me and my friend Andrew and Jada are here. Other than that, everybody went somewhere else down here in Yuma. So, oh well. This is our setup for the afternoon. I got the TV out, watched this football. Oh yeah. So unfortunately, the Seahawks lost a heartbreaking game here. It was fun to watch from Arizona, but they missed an easy field goal to win the game, knocked themselves out of the playoffs. We were actually watching the other game because Carolina had to beat the Falcons in order for us to make the playoffs, so it wasn't really even in their fate. Still, that's depressing. Finished, I think, 9-6 for a record, but hey, I'm still a Seahawks fan. I enjoyed the game, and we'll go get them next year. It was nice to watch the game with some friends, Scott, Terry, and Andrew here, and we're getting a really nice sunset here. Again, I cannot believe the sunsets that are here in the south. It's amazing. So we got the sunrise over here, the sunset over there, and it's just morning to night. It's just amazing. This has been really nice. It's been really nice to meet up with people, so that's cool. Good morning. Another sunny day here in Arizona. Actually, is it ever not sunny in Arizona? This is so crazy in the wintertime. Anyway, I woke up today and started thinking about how to possibly go about this because we're getting close to the RTR now, and I'm almost feeling a little rushed because there are some things down here I wanted to do. You know, Los Algodones, Mexico, access is right here, and there's some other things in California. But it kind of makes more sense to wait to do that till maybe after RTR and do some other California stuff because there's lots of places I haven't been in California. So I'm thinking that I am just going to head back up north, and the group is split up right now. You know, some people are at other casinos, some people are at BLM land just trying to stay away until the day RTR starts. So I'm guessing I'm going to meet back up with most of the tribe, as we call it here, on the start and kind of find a communal spot to camp for the event itself. But there's so much going on in Quartzsite that I feel like I was kind of rushed out of there. So I want to get back there a day or two early and see what's going on. So today's going to be a travel day back up north, and then I'll probably come back here for the stuff I missed and stuff. That's the plan, guys. I'm really enjoying this. I know this probably feels a lot different than my normal type of travel vlogs. I assure you that once this season is over, I have some major epic plans underway for a pretty neat little travel segment for you. So let me enjoy my downtime, I guess you'd call it, but still share this awesome country with you. And Jackson and I will see you in a couple days. Bye-bye.